Hello student, let us see the fifth chapter integration in maths paper 1. Already studied the two types of integration. In here we have to see the third type of integration, that is the integral of the form, that is the integration a e raised to x plus b upon c e raised to x plus d dx, where a, b, c, d belongs to R, where R is a real number. In this type of integration, we have to putting numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into d by dx of denominator. After finding the derivative of denominator, we have to comparing the equation and then finding the value of a and b, and then substituting the a and b and then find the integration here. Okay, let us see the exercise 5.3 here. First question, that is evaluate the following integrals, that is a question number 1. Integration of 3 e raised to 2t plus 5 upon 4 into e raised to 2t minus 5 dt. Here we have to substitute here, that is a put here numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into d by dt of denominator. Okay, this type of integration here we have to substitute here. See the solution. I is equal to integration 3 e raised to 2t plus 5 upon 4 into e raised to 2t minus 5 dt. Taking the numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into d by dt of denominator. That is, the numerator is 3 e raised to 2t plus 5 and denominator is 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 here. That is 3 e raised to numerator 3 e raised to 2t plus 5 a into denominator, that is a into bracket 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 plus b into derivative of in bracket 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 here. Then numerator term as it is here, 3 into 3 e raised to 2t plus 5, then this this a multiplied to this bracket 4a e raised to 2t minus 5a plus b into 4, this term as it is, derivative of e raised to 2t. You have to know the derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. That means in derivative of e raised to 2t is 2t, but 2 is a composite function, that is into derivative of 2t is 2, that is equal to 2 e raised to 2t. Okay, this you have to find the 2 e raised to 2t here, and then the value is equal to, that is 3 e raised to 2t plus 5 is equal to 4 a e raised to 2t minus 5a plus 8b e raised to 2t. Then comparing the coefficient here, both side here, that is 4a plus 8b. See this here, 4a e raised to 2t and 8b e raised to 2t. That means equation becomes 4a plus 8b is equal to, and here in left side 3 e raised to 2t. That means 4a plus 8b is equal to 3, and only remaining minus 5a, that is equal to 5. That means if you this 5 minus 5 shifting that side, 5 upon 5, that is equal to minus 1. That means the value of a is equal to minus 1. Then substituting this a is equal to minus 1 this equation, that means equation becomes here 4a plus 8b is equal to 3 minus 4 into a value is minus 1, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 here, plus 8b as it is equal to 3, this minus 4 shifting that side, 8b is equal to 7, and this 8 shifting that side here, multiply shifting that side, b is equal to 7 by 8. And then we have to substitute this a and b in here, that is the value is 3 e raised to 2t plus 5 is equal to a into 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 plus 8b e raised to 2t, and the value of a is minus 1 and the value of b is equal to 7 by 8, that is 3 e raised to 2t plus 5 minus 1 into 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 plus 8 into 7 by 8. This 8 get cancelled into 2 e raised to 2t, that is the value is finding, that is 3 e raised to 2t plus 5 is equal to minus 1 into 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 plus 7 e raised to 2t. Then new integration is formed, that is I is equal to minus 1 into bracket 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 plus 7 into e raised to 2t upon 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 dt here. Then you have to separate the denominator term, this and with integral here, separate denominator with integral, that is I is equal to minus 1 into 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 upon 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 dt plus 7 into e raised to 2t upon 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 dt. This 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 and here 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 get cancelled, that is the remaining integral of minus 1 dt here into 7 is a constant outside the integral, 7 into integral e raised to 2t upon 4 e raised to 2t minus 5. Know the derivative of this 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 is, that is 4 to the 8, 8 e raised to 2t minus 5 is constant 0, that is remaining a 8 e raised to 2t, that is e raised to 2t here, 8 is a constant, that means is a form of log here, that is integration of f of x upon f dash of x, that is equal to log of f dash of x here, that is I is equal to minus t, that is integration of minus 1 is minus 1 dt is equal to minus t plus 7 log into 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 plus c here. Then this we have to find the integration here, that is minus t plus 7 log into bracket 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 plus c here. Let us see the next question, question number 2nd. Integral 20 minus 12 e raised to x upon 3 e raised to x minus 4 dx. Let I is equal to integral 20 minus 12 e raised to x upon 3 e raised to x minus 4 dx. Same here, the integral type is numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into d by dx of denominator here, and you know the numerator is 20 minus 12 e raised to x and denominator is 3 e raised to x minus 4 here, that is numerator 20 minus 12 e raised to equal to a into 3 e raised to x minus 4 plus b into derivative of 3 e raised to x minus 4 here, that is 20 minus 12 e raised to x is equal to multiply this a to the bracket 3a e raised to x minus 4a plus 3b derivative of e raised to x is, this 3 is a constant, multiply here 3b e raised to x, 4 is 0, remaining 3b e raised to x here. Then comparing the coefficient on both side here, that is 3a e raised to x plus 3b e raised to x, that is equal to minus 12, because here in our left hand side minus 12 e raised to x, that is comparing e raised to x with e raised to x and constant with constant here, that means equation becomes 3a plus 3b is equal to minus 12 and minus 4a is equal to 20 minus 4a is equal to 20, and this minus 4 that side. Okay, we are taking the minus 4 that side, that is divide 20 upon minus 4, and 20 upon minus 4 is minus 5. That means the value of a is equal to minus 5. Then substituting this a is equal to minus 5 in this equation, that is 3 5s are minus 15 plus 3b is equal to minus 12 here. There's minus 15 shifting that side, that is a plus 15. That means remaining here 3b is equal to minus 12 plus 15 is equal to plus 3, that is 3b is equal to 3. That means the value of b is equal to 1 here. This we are solving the a and b here. Next here we have to putting the value of a and b in this equation, that is 20 minus 12 e raised to x into is equal to a into 3 e raised to x minus 4 plus 3b e raised to x here. That is 20 minus 12 e raised to x is equal to minus 5 into 3 e raised to x minus 4. The value of a is substitute put here, that is a is minus 5, there is a minus 5, 3 e raised to x minus 4 plus value of b is equal to 1, that is 3b, 3 into 1 e raised to x, that is 3 into 1 is 3. That means 20 minus 12 e raised to x is minus 5 into 3 e raised to x minus 4 plus 3 e raised to x here. Then after that the new integration is formed here. Therefore I is equal to integration minus 5 3 e raised to x minus 4 plus 3 e raised to x. We have to change the numerator term, denominator as it is, 3 e raised to x minus 4 dx. Then separate the denominator with the integration, that is equal to minus integration minus 5 3 e raised to x minus 4 upon 3 e raised to x minus 4 dx plus this one, that is 3 integration 3 e raised to x upon 3 e raised to x minus 4 dx. Then 3 e raised to minus 4, 3 e raised to x minus 4 get cancel, remaining integration minus 5 dx. Here 3 e raised to x upon integration 3 e raised to x minus 4 dx as it is. Then find the integration of this 5 is constant, minus 5 is constant, integration of dx is x, that is minus 5x plus derivative of 3 e raised to x minus 4 is 3 e raised to x. That means it is the integration of f dash of x upon f of x, that is equal to log of f of x. Applying here, f of x is 3 e raised to x minus 4. That means log of 3 e raised to x minus 4 plus c. That means the answer is minus 5x plus log 3 e raised to x minus 4 plus c. This we have to solve in the question number 2nd here. Let us see the question number 3rd. Integration of 2 e raised to x plus 5 upon 2 e raised to x plus 1 dx. Let I is equal to integration 2 e raised to x plus 5 upon 2 e raised to x plus 1 dx. Same type of integration here. We have to putting here numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into d by dx of denominator. Here numerator term is 2 e raised to plus 5 and denominator term is 2 e raised to x plus 1, that is 2 e raised to x plus 5 is equal to a into denominator, that is a into 2 e raised to x plus 1 plus b into derivative of denominator, that is a 2 e raised to x plus 1 here. Then this LHS is as it is left hand side, 2 e raised to x plus 5 is equal to a multiply a, that is a 2a e raised to x plus 1 into a is a plus b into 2 e raised to x, derivative of e raised to x, e raised to x multiply with 2, that is a 2b e raised to x, 1 is a constant 0, that is the remaining 2b e raised to x here. Then next is comparing the coefficient with here e raised to x. See this 2a e raised to x plus 2b e raised to x here, that is 2a plus 2b, and here also in LHS 2 e raised to x, that means 2a plus 2b is equal to 2, and remaining only a is a constant, that is a is equal to 5, that is the value of a is equal to 5. Putting this a in equation, 2a plus 2b, that is 2 5s are 2 into 5, that is a 2 5s are 10 plus 2b is equal to 2. This 10 shifting that side, that is 2b is equal to 2 minus 10 is equal to minus 8, and this minus 8, 2 shifting that side, here multiply shifting that side, divide, that is equal to minus 4, that means value of b is equal to minus 4 here, that is a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 4 here. Okay. Next we have to putting the value of a and b here, that is 2 e raised to x plus 5 is equal to a into 2 e raised to x plus 1 plus b into 2 e raised to x here. You have to substitute a and b here, that means value is equal to 2 e raised to x plus 5 is equal to value of a is 5 in bracket 2 e raised to x plus 1 plus value of b is equal to minus 4 into 2 e raised to x here. Then new integration form is integration of 5 into 2 e raised to x plus 1 plus minus 4 into 2 e raised to x upon 2 e raised to x plus 1 dx, the denominator as it is only changing the numerator. Then separate the denominator with the integration, that is 5 into integration of 5 into 2 e raised to x plus 1 upon 2 e raised to x plus 1 dx plus minus 4 into 2 e raised to x upon 2 e raised to x plus 1. In here 2 e raised to x plus 2 e raised to x cancel, remaining integration of 5 dx, that is this term, minus 4 is a constant outside the integral, minus 4 into 2 e raised to x upon 2 e raised to x plus 1 here, that is remaining 5 integration of dx minus 4 into integration of 2 e raised to x upon 2 e raised to x plus 1, and integration of dx is x, that is a 5x minus 4, that is the derivative of 2 e raised to x plus 1 is 2 e raised to x, applying the integration of f of f sorry integration of f dash of x upon f of x, that is log of f of x plus c, that means minus 4 log of 2 e raised to x plus 1 plus c, because f of x is 2 e raised to x plus 1, that means answer become 5x minus 4 log into 2 e raised to x plus 1 plus c. This you have to find the integration of the third question. Okay, remaining only one question, that is you have to practice question, solve yourself Thank you.